As we came down that rise behind me, which you can't see, suddenly there's the plateau, but all the vegetation, there's all these trees here now, which is interesting. Instead of sort of the scrubland, which is pretty much the same, suddenly these trees have all popped up on this plateau. Khurip. Update to Ideate-Incubate, small one, because of course you're creating a new entity that could be create. So incubate, which way is it going to go? It might go to create, because there are all sorts of setup decisions, you know, which jurisdiction, where is this tax, this that. So create and then operate to the operating entity, or integrate into an existing entity. See what's over this rise. Khurib is not far away, probably 10 k's or less. Nice warmish, pleasantly warmish breeze coming in from the front left. A little baby's purring along.